Hey guys, Umoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you so much guys for clicking, and thank you so much for always coming here to watch my videos. The new subscribers, welcome, and the OG, I love you so much. Guys, today I'm here to brag or to flashback about my locks. As you can see, I did my locks the other day. I didn't make a video because I was so busy, but I thought today being a weekend is the best time to show you how my locks looks like. My locks have been here actually a week, but let me show you how they look. Oh my goodness, look, this is Umoto Lifestyle locks. The hair, the girl who didn't have hair, the girl who was bullied in high school because she didn't have long hair like other ladies. She didn't have beautiful hair. But when I'm looking at myself this time, guys, don't let the bully, pass by. If I found right now my bully from high school, they'll be shocked. They wouldn't even know it's me. So don't even care about the bullies, okay? Just forgive them. So this is my locks. Look at that. My locks is really grown so much. The lady who was doing my locks, shout out to you. She's from Ivory Coast. So if you ever live here in my area and you wanted to do your locks, please let me know so that I can refer you to that lady. She's so gentle. Her prices are manageable. And she's really a nice lady. And she's so quick, guys. She was so fast. I was in and out, in and out. So she did my locks. She interlocked my locks. And I feel neat. I feel fresh. I feel really, they can even wash your head if you want to. But for me, I love washing my, my hair or my locks before I go to a salon. So, but they can do the service if you want to. But this lady was really, really amazing. And you can tell, guys, my locks really, you can even see my scalp. Oh my, oh my. I cannot believe this is Umoto Lifestyle. So I'm here bragging. Finally, my locks looks like I'm wearing a wig, but it's my natural hair. Guys, I don't itchy anymore. I used to wear so much wigs. I used to itchy so much. Like, the wig, it's not like wearing wigs, it's not bad because I still have my wigs, guys. I still have my mannequins. Let me show you my mannequin. Wait a minute. Guys, I still have my mannequin here. This is the mannequin that I used to hang my wigs. And already you can see my wig. This was my short. Let me show you. This, I was inspired actually to have locks long time before. Because as you can see, this wig that I used to wear, it looks like locks, right? It's a natural kingy wig. It's still a good wig. I can still wear it if I want to. All I have to do is to tie my locks and wear this on top. So this is a testimony that I was a wig girl. Oh my god. And I still have my many wigs here. But this short wig here really saved my life. But this was my favorite at work. When I go to work, everybody knows that's Moto Lifestyle. And I still have my mannequin here. I used to hang my wigs. Guys, I'm in my bathroom, I'm sweating. So I just want to tell you the reality of a Moto Lifestyle. So from all these mannequins and from all these wigs, to this lady right here. Guys, I'm spilling this. To this lady right here. So I am here just to let you know how proud I am with my locks and how I can say whenever you feel you're down, or whenever people try to put you down, or whenever people try to make jokes about your features or your short hair is your hair is not perfect, your hair is not the one, you are not beautiful, please guys, do not listen. This is Umoto Lifestyle right now. I'm so proud of my hair. Today's video, guys, it's just being proud of me. Can y'all be proud of me? Can you all be cheering me? I want you guys to comment below and cheer me. Tell me how beautiful I am. Tell me how beautiful and long and healthy my locks are. Because, guys, I am a testimony of being bullied in high school. And when I remember those days, guys, how... Let me tell you one instant. In high school, I grew up in a boarding school. So in a boarding school, I even remember, we were in a science class, And I was short in school. I was really young and very short. So the teacher preferred me to sit in front. So I preferred to sit at the back. But the teacher said, you are short. Come, sit here. So I always was in front of everybody. And I didn't have no hair. And my ears tends to stick out. I don't know what happens to my ear then, but my ear tends to stick out. So whenever I'm sitting in front, people come from behind and they keep touching my ear like that. They keep pulling my ear like that. Like they think it's funny. They think it's something that is a toy they're playing with. But I didn't know then, but when I came to the US, I know that was bullying. So people were bullying my features. People were bullying my hair. My hair was brownish and not healthy. In high school, you really don't know how to take care of hair, being born and raised in Africa. So I was a subject of being bullied all the time. Most of the time, you can see me crying and not really feeling well. And I wished I can have a cape or something just to cover, like a cape like this. I wish they can allow us to wear capes in high school, guys. Look at my, I wish I can cover my head like this in high school, but I could not. You have to look neat. You have to keep your hair short. It depends on your head shape. So all I remember, I was being bullied until I didn't even want to go to school. I was like, it's time to go to school. You can see me crying. And my mom was like, it's okay. You go to school. Why would people bully you? Why people will bully your features? You're beautiful. You're gorgeous. Guys, wait until I came to the US and I found out people wear wigs. Wigs has been my savior for so many years here in the US. So whenever I find wigs, I can wear anywhere I want. I can cover my ears, I can cover my hair, I can cover my head. So I've been wearing all kinds of wigs for so long. Until one day, another lady, she was my friend, she's still my friend, a co-worker, and she told me, Umoto Lifestyle. Of course, she didn't say Umoto Lifestyle. It's not my real name, but it's a YouTube name. But I'm just gonna say Umoto Lifestyle. So meaning she called my name. Your hair is so beautiful. You have a nice hair. And that lady, she had locks. I'm like, I wish my hair can hold locks like you. She touched my hair and she said, yes, your hair has a good texture. Actually, it can hold locks. And I'm like, no, my hair is just not good. She said, your hair is beautiful. And she said, let me tell you a lady who can install locks on you. And I'm like, no way, locks on me. But she's like, yes, Umoto, let me tell you, this lady she can even put locks where there's no hair. So she referred me to this lady. She's lady, actually, she was from Ghana. Shout out to my Ghanaian ladies. So this lady, she was from Ghana. I had to go to her house. So because I didn't want to go to a salon because people are going to love at my hair. So I went to this lady's home. She installed a locks, guys. I did not like it. I looked at my head. I'm like, holy Christ, what did I do to my hair? But the lady said, don't worry. You go ahead and start putting your wig. So I started putting, not this one, but other wigs. I had locks, but I started putting wigs on top of the locks, which is not recommended. But I said, I'm not going to go like this anywhere. I did put locks and put wigs the whole year, entire year. Nobody knew that I had locks in. But that second year, I removed my wig, and guys, I could not believe it. My locks, my hair has grown so much. I have these beautiful short locks, and they look fancy and they're fluffy. And the lady looked at me and like, look at you, look at your locks. And I'm like, look at me. Then my locks were short. Guys, never did you know. Now look at this girl, Umoto Lifestyle. She has all the locks that everybody desire. So my testimony today, guys, is don't let people put you down. Don't let nobody bully you on your features, be it a hair, eyes, nose, whatever. We are beautiful. We are beautiful the way we are. and God created us the way He wants us to be. So today's motivation is let all have some locks. Those ones who want to have locks, actually, reach me out. If you don't have hair, you feel like locks are not for you, reach me out. I'm gonna do a full review of these locks, and if that lady allows me, I can feature her shop so that you can see how she's doing her hair, her locks really quick. She does so many styles, but even locks as well. So guys, let me go where I was going because it's weekend. As you know, I have a lot, guys. I'm sweating. It's too hot outside, but I need to wear my cap so that I can head out and do some other stuff. And I hope you guys, you like these videos, you get inspired. Don't let the people bully you. Don't let the people put you down. You are who you are, and be you. Guys, from here to you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.